Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to design a modern wedding invitation in Kittl AI. Let's get started. First, go to Kittl AI and click a new project. Then here in the left-hand menu, select the templates and then in the search bar, type wedding invitation. And here you'll see lots of a beautiful pre-made design. You can pick a modern wedding invitation template that fits your theme. If it's minimalist, floral, or elegant gold accent designs, and more. Then here, click Use templates, and here you can customize your invitation. You can replace the sample text with the name of the couple, date, venue, and time. You can adjust the fonts and the color to match your wedding theme, and you can also add icons, florals, or illustrations from the Kittl design library if you want a more personal touch. You can check the alignment and spacing if it's clean and professional. You can also resize the invitation if you want it for print or digital sharing. And once you're satisfied with the edits, you can now click download and save as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF that is ready for printing or send online. And that's it. You've designed a modern wedding invitation in Kittl AI. Quick, stylish, and personalized. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching.